Meaning of half price.
Half price.
Half price.
Half price.
Half price. Half price means a discount of 50% off the original price of a product or service. For example, if a product is originally priced at $100 and it is half price, then the new discounted price would be $50. This term is often used by retailers to attract customers and increase sales. It can also refer to promotions or special offers where customers can purchase products or services at a lower cost. Half price is a common marketing tactic that helps businesses boost their revenue and clear out old stock.